Welcome to my first origami tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ralts. I'm using a 6 inch by 6 inch pre-cut square that is green on one side and white on the other to achieve the two main colors in the final model. So start with the colored side up and then fold one corner of the paper to the opposite corner. Next, you're gonna unfold it, and with the white side up this time, fold one edge of the paper to the other edge. And repeat on the other side. Next, you want to unfold everything. And now bring the leftmost edge to the middle crease. Now repeat on the top edge. Again, unfold everything. Now you want to make 3 diagonal valley folds passing through the points as shown. We start off by bringing the topmost point to the intersection of the creases. And now we make the other 2 folds. Unfold everything and now make another valley fold that is crossing these 2 points as shown. You can make sure that it is passing through these 2 points by making sure that the corner of the paper that you're bringing down to the bottom right is in line with the symmetry line. Unfold everything. Now turn the paper over and fold the corners of the paper on the opposite sides of the symmetry line to the center of the paper. And then you want to unfold everything and fold the bottom right corner to the top left corner. Unfold the paper. Now turn the paper back onto the white side up. Fold the paper in half on the existing horizontal crease. Now fold the right part of the bottom edge to the diagonal crease as shown, bisecting the angle below. Unfold the paper again and repeat on the other side. Now you collapse along these existing creases. It should look like this. Now we want to fold the entire model backwards, making sure to lift up the square flap. Inside reverse fold along the existing creases. Do another inside reverse fold after that. You may have to lift up the green flap that is covering it to have a better view of it. After that, it should look like this. Now bring the corner of the paper to the point as shown. And while you're doing that, make sure to bring this corner to the other corner on the opposite side of the vertical valley fold. Flatten the area. Now bring this edge, fold it so that it reaches the horizontal crease that is running across the layer at the back. So here I'm using the intersection between the crease that's running at the back and the angled edge. Unfold this crease and then open up the model slightly in order to sink along the crease that I just made. Do note that the sink creases do not end at the edge of the paper, which means that the model will not lie flat. So as you can see here, there is a protrusion that's coming out and will not lie flat because of the sink creases. So you want to squash this point. You want to align the creases of the squash to the edge behind it and then flatten the area. Now you want to move the layer that's on the left side to the right side. Turn the paper over and repeat on the other side. Now at this stage, you want to also fold the edge to the horizontal crease, but because it's all hidden, simply align the crease with the edge behind. Now open up the squarish flap at the top and wrap it around the triangle so that it looks like this. Now you want to do a couple of reverse folds to bring the tip in and out. So that it looks like this. And repeat on the other side. When that is done, make an angled crease approximately around this region. Now open up the model and make the reverse folds. Now bring up the layer again and make another crease. This time horizontal and perpendicular to the vertical edge of the white body. I'm making sure that the point over here is touching the vertical edge of the body. Now I'm opening up the model so that I can sink this area slightly. I'm shaping the model here to make a flat base. Now the tip of the head may look a bit jarring, so I'm actually folding the tip of the head behind a little bit. Repeat on the other side. Curl the edges below, and with that it is complete. I hope you enjoyed my first tutorial, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any suggestion on what I should make next and how I can improve the tutorial.